Hello students, today we will read the third phase of the story. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove into Bridport. After reading the letter, the author couldn't sleep, and decided to drive to Bridport. So he kept the letter into the envelope and drove to Bridport. Just a few miles away, I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beaches was. Then he asked a boy the address of Mrs. Coney. When he reached house number 12, turned out to be nothing but a burned out shell. Burned out shell means destroyed by fire. When he reached there, he saw that the house was totally destroyed by fire. Then the roof gappings, the windows boarded up. Boarded up means covered with wooden boards. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of Mrs. Macpherson. Then he knocked to the neighbor, to Miss Macpherson's neighbor, and he asked that person, it means the neighbor, the whereabouts. Whereabouts means the location, the position of a Miss Macpherson. Where is she? Because he had found no, because the house was abandoned, there were no one. So he asked about Mrs. Macpherson's location, where she was. So, oh yes, said the old man. Who was the neighbor of Miss Macpherson? The old man. In his slippers. He knew her well. A lovely old lady, he told me. He told him about Miss Macpherson. It means to narrator that she was a very good lady, a bit muddle-headed. It means she was a confused lady also. If she was lovely, she was also confused. But at her age, she was entitled to be. And why? Because her age was 101 years old. That's why she was muddle-headed. Because of his age, though she was a very good lady, good old lady, but she was muddle-headed. Why? Because of his age. Her age was 101 years old. She had been in the house when it caught fire. See, accidentally the fire caught the house. So at that moment she was present in the house. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been the candles. No one knew that how the house caught the fire, but he knew that she used candles instead of electricity. It is written here. Okay, she used candles rather than electricity. So maybe that through the candles the house caught the fire, because she always thought electricity was too expensive. Why she used candles? Because candles are cheaper and electricity is expensive. That's why she used the candles. The fireman had got her out just in time. Who rescued Mrs. Macpherson? The fireman. You know the fire persons who fight against the fires. She was in a nursing home. Now where is she? She was in the nursing home. Now he told me Burlington House. She was in the nursing home at Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of a town. So here in this phase the writer search for her address, and then he want to meet Coney Macpherson. And when he reached there, he found at that particular address, he found that Coney Macpherson was not there, only the burnt house. And then her neighbor helped writer that he had been shifted